It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas in here. I can't sing. How are you doing? It's Smithy with Kentucky. Probably the last video before Christmas. It's Christmas shortly. And I'm working. Sod's law, but anyway. If I'm working Christmas Day and the next day, I'm not working New Year's Eve. So me and Susie might be going out New Year's Eve. Anyway. Oh, what a year, eh? Not the best year I've ever had, and a lot of you know why, but anyway, we bought something. I'll show you. Look at this. You see, you've had one of them before. I know, but the thing is, it packed up, didn't it? So I bought another one. Because the good thing is, some of these sites I'm on, I can put some stuff out overnight, as long as I don't forget to pick it back up in the morning. And see what the results are, especially when I'm in Lake District. So we have bought a new trail cam. I've got some plastic I've got to take off. We bought a new trail cam, and this one looks like it's got a thing to fasten it with. So I don't know how easy it is to use or whatever, so I've just opened it now. Well, it's got a little screen on so you can see what you're doing. So I don't know where you put the batteries in it. No idea. Does this undo? No. Read the instructions, Smitty. Right, I will do. No, there's no batteries in it, so. Anyway, so yeah, we bought another trail cam. So I'm hoping we might catch badgers and deer and all kinds of stuff. I'll have to have a look at what food you should put out for certain things. I'm going to read the instructions this time. I don't know how it works. I usually just dive in and, oh, how's that work? So anyway, yeah, I just wanted to, there we go, put all of this together. I just wanted to say, over the past 12 months, what got me through it is a lot of you with your comments and things like that. And we're still here, we did it. We've got to the end of the year, and I just wanted to say thanks for watching all my videos. I do have a bit of fun on TikTok as well, and sometimes I make short videos, you know, the same videos I'm doing for the van for you, for TikTok. I think it's Smithy's Kentucky 1. I couldn't have Smithy's Kentucky, so it's Smithy's Kentucky 1 on TikTok if you do TikTok. It is funny TikTok though, I'm enjoying watching a lot of TikTok videos. The only thing I can't do is, obviously when I'm on site, I can't watch a lot of YouTube videos because I don't get a signal. And I don't have Wi-Fi in the van, only on my phone. And TikTok seems to wipe out your data when you're messing about. Anyway, yeah, I just wanted to say thank you to all that watch the videos. Thank you to everybody that's commented and thumbs up and thumbs down and whatever. And I hope to see you soon. And we'll make some more videos. We're going to buy some new equipment. Yeah, we're going to have a look online, and there's something I've been meaning to do for years, and I'm going to do it in New Year. I'm going to buy it about the day after Boxing Day or whatever, Boxing Day sales, and I'll show you, and then we'll get cracking after that, and you'll see what I'm up to. Anyway, so all it's for me to say is have a Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, and Smithy and his Kentucky and his 2 dogs and Susie, we'll see you soon. And hey, Merry Christmas. I'll try my trail cam out, I'll have to read the instructions. Anyway, see you soon.